Grand Canyon Railway and Hotels RV Park, located in the heart of Williams, Arizona, is a grand place to unwind and relax. We have everything you need for an unforgettable experience, whether you're hitting the open road as a couple or a family. Open all year and situated just moments from Grand Canyon Railway's train depot, where our historic train departs daily, the RV park features 124 extra-wide pull-through, buddy, and back-end spaces, fully paved. Each space comes with HD TV, wireless internet, and access to a common area, shower facilities, coin-operated laundry, and an indoor swimming pool at the adjacent Grand Canyon Railway Hotel. The RV park features a full-size convenience store, selling everything you'll need for your adventure, including snacks, clothing, and souvenir items. The property also includes a state-of-the-art pet resort for your furry friends. Offering 28 spacious rooms for dogs and 16 comfortable custom-made condos for cats, the pet resort offers the safest, most comfortable, secure, and modern environment in the Williams area. The RV park is also the closest to downtown Williams, featuring historic Route 66, shopping, dining, attractions, and a full-service grocery store, all within walking distance. For more information and for reservations at Grand Canyon Railway's RV park and pet resort, please visit us online at thetrain.com.